Hello everyone, welcome back to Circle Time. I am Mrs. Moore. It's lovely to see you here once again. So let's go to our nursery rhyme for today. In our nursery rhyme today, we'll be singing about a scarecrow. What is a scarecrow? Do you know what a scarecrow is? Have you seen one before? Yeah, so this is what a scarecrow looks like. It has a hat and it has some human clothes. It's made to look like a human being just so that it scares birds away from eating the seeds on a farm. Okay, so the scarecrow is used to scare birds away and to stop them eating seeds on the farm. Alright, so let's go to our nursery rhyme. In this nursery rhyme, I need you to lie down on the floor. Are you ready? I want you to pretend you're sleeping. Alright, can we lie down on the floor and pretend you're sleeping? Okay, are you ready? When all the cows are sleeping and the sun has gone to bed, up jumps the scarecrow, and this is what he said. I'm a ding-a-dang scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this, I can shake my feet like that. Are you shaking your feet? Good job, well done. Let's do the next one. Alright, let's go back to the floor and let's pretend to be sleeping. Okay? When all the hens are roosting and the moon behind the cloud, up jumps the scarecrow and shouted really loud. I'm a ding-a-dang scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like this, I can shake my feet like that. Well done everyone, and good job. Oh, we've done some good exercise today. That's good. It's good to get moving, isn't it? Alright, well done everybody. So let's go to our counting tree. So on my tree today, I have some scarecrows on it, and I need you to help me count how many scarecrows we have on the tree. Are you ready? I can find one. Oh, I can see another. Here's another scarecrow. 2. We found another one. 3. And here's one. 4. 5. And I think we have just one last one. 6. So we had 6 scarecrows on the tree. Let's put this down. And now let's count the scarecrows all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 scarecrows all together. Well done and good counting everyone. Alright, let's go to our activity for today. Today we are going to be doing some gardening. We're going to be planting some seeds, and I'm going to show you how we are going to do that today. Okay, do you want to come to the table with me? Today we're going to be planting seeds. Over here I have a tray, and in my tray you can see my scarecrow. I've put up my scarecrow, and I have some pots. I'll be planting the seeds in these pots, and in the pots I've put some soil in. I have my seeds here. I have a spade. This is a spade. This is a shovel, and this is a rake. And over here I have a wheelbarrow, just like you find on a farm or in a garden. Okay, and I have my garden gloves over here. So I'm going to put the gloves on just to protect my hands as I'll be using the tools. So I'll put the gloves on, and I'm going to top up my soil with some soil from here. Okay, so I've gotten my shovel. So this is my shovel. I'm going to get some soil, and I'm going to top up. Oh, I'm going to top up what I have here. Alright, so you use the shovel to dig, and you also use it to move dirt about as well. Okay, so I'm going to make it nice and full. Alright, there we go. So I've put some dirt into my pots. And can you count the pots with me? How many pots do I have altogether? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 pots here. Okay, so I have my seeds here. So I have this seed. It's called runner beans. I have pea and I have French beans here. So I'm going to be planting 2 of the runner beans, 1 pea and 2 of the French beans, and altogether that will give me 5. So I'll be planting 1 seed in each pot. Okay, so let us take 2 of this. 1. So let's plant 1 in this pot. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger to dig a hole, and I'm going to put the seed in the hole, and then I'm going to cover it up. That's it, all done. There we go. So let's take another one, and that is 2. So I'm putting the second one in this pot. I'm going to dig a hole with my finger, and I'll put the seed in the hole and cover it all up. So I've planted 2 of the runner beans. So I have 1 pea, and I'm going to put that 1 pea in this pot in the middle. Okay, let me dig my hole first. I'll just use my finger to dig a hole, and I'll put the pea inside. There we go. And then I'll cover it up. All done. So I need 2 of the French beans. So I'm going to put 1 here and the other one here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'll dig a hole. Then I'll take 1. I'll put it in the hole. And then I'll cover it up. That's it, all done. Okay, so I'll take the second one. I'll dig a hole with my finger. I'll put it in the hole. There it goes. And I'll cover it up. So that's it, all done. So I'm going to get some water, and I'm going to water it, and I'm going to put it outside in the sun where it is nice and sunny, and we'll wait for the plant to grow. So in a few weeks we are going to check our plants and see how far they have grown. Okay, so do you remember we have the wheelbarrow, I have my garden gloves in my hands, I have my shovel, I have my spade, and I have the rake. Let's not forget the pots and our lovely scarecrow here to chase the birds away that try to eat our seeds. Now let us go to our sand tray and see if we can dig up some words that we have learned today. Okay? Do you want to come with me to the sand tray? So what words would we find today? Let us check and see. Oh, I found one. That was quick. Let's open it and see what's hidden inside. Oh, there we go. It starts with an S. Oh, this is shovel. So do you remember we had a shovel? Can you remember? So this is our shovel. So this is the word shovel. What other word can we find? Let's keep digging and see what we find. Oh, I see something. What word could this be? It starts with an S as well. Soil. Soil. So we planted the seeds in the soil. We planted the seeds in the soil. So the soil is where we plant the seeds. Well done, everyone. And let's see what else we can find. Oh yeah, I found it. What word could this be? Let's open it up. It starts with an S as well. This is the word seed. This is the word seed. We had lots of seeds today, didn't we? Can't remember how many seeds we planted. We planted 5 seeds in total. So this is the word seed. Well done everyone, and good job. It was lovely to have you here once again for circle time. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.